My name is Clo Willaerts. Most people, especially on Twitter, know me as Binox, B-N-O-X, and I work at Sanoma Media, Belgium, where I run a business unit called Conversity.be, and we help advertisers get more out of social media. So we don't focus on conversations, we focus on conversion.
Hi, I'm Matthias Stevens from eZijn, a web development agency in Ghent.
Hi, my name is Bart de Waele. I'm the CEO of digital agency Wijs. We're based in Ghent. We're about 55 people and we do everything online. From digital strategy to concept to build and launch of websites to online marketing. There's an integrated approach of everything you need to do online.
Hi, my name is Marc Staut. I'm a project manager of Rabobank.be, and my main responsibilities is getting things done. If you have a bright idea, then my role is to implement it in the real world. We see a lot of trends for the future. The tricky part is in which technology they will be developed. We expect a lot of mobile payments, for example, and also we are looking at more and more integration between different environments, secure websites, public websites, mobile devices like tablets and smartphones.
This year everything is focused around responsive design and getting people to your website in different manners than just search engines.
I think 2012 is the year, well, 2011 was the year of the reality check. A lot of companies have been trying a lot with social media. Now they know what works and what doesn't. So in 2012 we're going to integrate it into business processes. It's not just something that is only a campaign or a one-off or a trial or something that you let an intern do for you. It's become serious business.
The aim is that our client, it must be possible to do their banking whenever they want and on which device they want. So sometimes that's on your tablet and in other moments it will be on your smartphone, sitting on a train.
Web is always morphing, always changing, so there's lots of trends to be discovered. I'm going to pick one. I think 2012 will be the year where every website will go responsive. Responsive web design will be the trend word in 2012. I'm going to give you an example. What is responsive web design is a website that uses the same backend, the same CMS, but has different views depending on the screen size. I'll show you. This is the desktop version, the iPad version, the iPhone version, landscape, and the iPhone version in portrait. So this is what responsive web design is all about.
The internet is becoming more social. Websites like Pinterest, Facebook, communities where the people are becoming more important, and being in those communities is key, I think, to get more customers on your website.
One of the main issues we encounter today is usability. If you want to buy something via the internet, it's always a search for which way you can pay what you want. You can search for your credit card, you can do it via DigiPass, or maybe in the future via your mobile device.
I see a big trend to anything that's visual. If you look at what people actually share with other people, in a lot of cases it will be either a picture or a video. And then when you look at web video, which is a big trend in itself, YouTube is a big winner because it also happens to be search engine optimized. Since last year, somewhere in December, Belgian advertisers can finally advertise on YouTube, very targeted advertising, very creative formats too. So I think I'm expecting a lot from this.
Via mobile devices will be the next big thing. It might be that in the future we won't pay anymore using our credit card or our debit card. There are a lot of new technologies coming up, like NFC, for example, but also other devices or other apps that are on your smartphone.
I think you have to be very careful not to look at your website from an isolated point of view. First of all, technology is not a driver. It's not because some new technology is there that you have to use it. You have to look at the point of view of the end user of the website. Think user-centered.
Right now they are focusing on optimization to be found. They are on social networks and they do a lot of effort of creating content and entrance pads to their website, to their community. But by spending more time on those aspects, they lose, in my opinion, a bit the focus on the conversion, on the image you're building as a company.
People will obviously not have conversations with logos, so it's very important for companies to show a human face, literally or in a figurative sense, and companies who are not willing or able to do that are having a hard time. On the other hand, companies that are very proud of what they do, especially the smaller sized ones, or the very open-minded ones, they will finally find ways to make money with social media and attract more customers and keep the existing ones.
Second, you have to think integrated. Don't build a website and hope people will come. Make sure there's enough power to attract the right audience. When you build a website, think of your position in Google, think of online marketing, think of Facebook marketing as just a way to attract the right audience. The website is not an island in itself.
I think it's a good website because right now there are several communities, but they lack some sort of structure like Wikipedia with gatekeepers, with people who moderate it, a central place to have different questions where your colleagues are and where you can have a good source of information.
I don't think communities online can be built. I think they're a reflection of existing communities, and this is something that exists already. There is a community of digital people in Belgium. The Iab community might open it up and might connect them online. So I think it's a very good idea. I think it's a very clever way to exchange knowledge and to lift the whole sector to a higher level.
Yeah, it definitely is a good idea. We have to share our ideas together. We have a vision on how to pay via the internet, and other partners must be aware of that.
I'm a big believer of sharing, not just information, but also best practices. We no longer have to make our mistakes ourselves. It's very rewarding to be able to talk to people just like you or experts in the field and then simply ask them what works and what doesn't. It saves you a lot of time, energy and money.
I think a lot of users will be happy and will spend a lot of time on the community to help other people or to ask questions themselves.